So we're doing synchronous versus asynchronous tasks today. Synchronous would be things that require focus and execution step by step. Asynchronous would be the ones that you initiate and then wait for the answer. Examples include for synchronous typing a text, taking notes on a lecture, speaking with somebody, coding. Asynchronous would include building the code you wrote, sending an email message to initiate an interaction to move forward the project, feeding the washing machine and starting laundry. You would have to dry them later. Now, as I can see, most of the synchronous tasks are best started before the whole synchronous bunch, and that is because it saves time. The time they execute, they progress, is the time you can dedicate later for focused work or focused activity synchronously. Maybe one thing that's worth noting that synchronous tasks tend to have their maintenance built in, so they can't extend longer than expected, while asynchronous task would require some sort of maintenance every now and then, preferably a preventive maintenance. So once you see something is not quite right, you fix it then. So they are not completely worry-free. They can require some fixing or tweaking just during that initiation, which makes the initiation a synchronous task. Okay, so that's about it. It's good to start the dishwasher before writing code. You'll get the plates clean at lunchtime.